Hey, John Crestani here, and I'm gonna go over 5 reasons why Walmart's affiliate program is a total joke. Now, if you don't know what affiliate programs are, it's a way to make money by posting links for a company around the internet. And Walmart it's just laughable why it's a joke. Let's dive right into why Walmart's affiliate program sucks so bad. The first reason is these payouts are just laughable, and I'm gonna have my I'm gonna edit some images in of this, but they pay 0% on most products. They list it out. They pay 1% commission on products through Walmart. On only, and I'll go into the other reasons why. 1% commission is way below what average commission rates should be. I mean, even Amazon is paying around 5% commission. ClickBank, the average commission, just to give you an idea, ClickBank pays out over $250 million per year to affiliates. That's $250 million a year ClickBank pays out. The average commission rate is 50%, okay? 50%, and Walmart's paying 1%. And the other thing that was laughable about their affiliate program is 2 years and they haven't updated their website. I mean, I just look at their website. You scroll down to the bottom, you see 2019. Is this really one of the largest companies in the world and they haven't been able to update their affiliate program in 2 years? I mean, that to me just says they're not taking it seriously. So, it's ridiculous. Now, this blew my mind, and I did a little research. I took out my calculator. I did my calculations. I figured out how many products there were, and the result astounded me. Come here. Walmart is only giving any commissions. Remember how I said they pay 0% commission on most products? Other products, the ones they do pay commissions on, it's only 0.0004% of their total inventory they pay commissions on. I mean, is it even worth it to market this company at this point, right? I mean, anything I link to on Amazon, I will get commissions for, okay? Anything, and they have tens of millions of products too. Why the heck would I send traffic to Walmart.com if there's only a 0.0004% chance that they'll even buy something that pays commission? Doesn't make any sense whatsoever. I don't even see why they maintain an affiliate program. Fourth reason is that payouts take over a month. Standard in affiliate marketing is about 1 to 2 weeks. Just to give you an idea, 1 to 2 weeks. When I was doing affiliate marketing, when I was really pounding, tens of thousands of dollars a day, I negotiated with my affiliate networks to pay me every 2 days my commissions because I'm spending ads here. Back in 2015, I was spending about $20,000 every day on credit cards because I didn't have the money to be promoting all these products. I had to rely on the credit cards to float me and give me credit. And so I needed, and I didn't have big limits, so I had to pay off my credit cards every single day almost. It was daily for a little period of time. I had to work on getting my limits increased. So I'm spending the full $10,000, $15,000, $25,000 limit every day. I could never work with a company like Walmart who takes over a month to pay me my commissions. I sold the product. I should earn my commissions at the very least within 2 weeks. Joke. And the fifth reason that Walmart's affiliate program just completely blows butt is your cookies only last 3 days. Now, if you haven't been doing affiliate marketing for a while, you won't know what a cookie is, but a cookie means that if you encourage somebody to go to a website and they click on your link, it means that any purchase they make, if you send them to Walmart, you get credit for up to 3 days for any purchase they make. So you're sending traffic to the site, you're saying, hey, go buy this on Walmart, and the person purchases 4 days later because they saved it on their phone or something, you won't get credit. Now, to give you a comparison, ClickBank, which is a ClickBank and Digistore, which are two great affiliate networks, have 60-day cookies, right? That is 20 times what Walmart is giving you here. Okay, 60 days is very good for affiliates. 30 days is standard. 30 days. They're still 10 times off of what a standard affiliate program would do. All this adds up to is Walmart's affiliate program sucks. If you're an affiliate marketer, you shouldn't even consider using Walmart's affiliate program because they are just really screwing all their affiliates and they know it. If you're looking for an affiliate network to sign up for, I recommend ClickBank or Digistore. Now on ClickBank, my product is there. It's called the Super Affiliate System, and you can be an affiliate for it and earn $500 every time you make a sale. Just search my name in ClickBank after you sign up, or search Super Affiliate System. And if you want to go through my training on affiliate marketing, there is a link below in the description where you can learn more about my training course, which is a 14-module long training course that includes free software. It gives you a free lifetime subscription to Marketing Tech, which is our software, and it gives you printable handouts, and you get live webinars every single week with my support staff to walk you through. If you have questions, they walk you through step by step. They'll answer your questions live. You can speak on these webinars. This isn't just kind of like a Wizard of Oz, kind of like behind the silk screen sort of thing. We really take pride in being able to help people learn what is good and what is bad with affiliate marketing, where to start, how to get started, and giving you a step-by-step plan with handouts and fill-in-the-blank types of sheets to help you create your schedule to create your business. Again, there are a lot of big companies that completely use and abuse affiliates, and it's disgusting because all they're really doing is using you for your traffic and not paying out. That's why in my program and on my YouTube channel here for free as well, we go over all of the things that help you get started in the right way in a very competitive landscape. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be going over a lot more affiliate networks and content. If you have any affiliate networks that you'd like me to expose or affiliate scams you'd like me to go over, make sure to leave a comment in the comments to let me know what you'd like me to address, because I've seen it all. I've worked with so many affiliate networks. I've done affiliate marketing for almost a dozen years now. It's crazy. And I want to help you get your start working from home and earning a serious income as well, like I have with so many other people. So great talking to you. Have a good day, and see you in my next video.